Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to turn off comments on Instagram post. Okay, so I will show you like two different ways. So first of all, you will open up the Instagram and you will go into your profile here, and let's suppose that if I want to actually turn the comments off for my this post here, I will actually tap on three dots here next to this post, and here you will see this option which is turn off commenting. So I will click on this one, and now commenting option has been turned off for this post. No one will be able to comment on this post. Okay, so this is the first method, and the next method is actually when you upload your post, you can actually do this at that time. So how you can do this, you will tap on this plus icon here, and let's suppose that if I wanted to add like this picture as a post, I will tap next, then I will tap next here, and while uploading you will actually see the option to actually like turn off the comments for the post. Okay, so if we go to the advanced option here, so here you can see turn off commenting. So you just have to like enable this option from here, then go back and then just post your uh, post here. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.